welcome. Ni hao. Wait. Ni hao, welcome to Hong Kong. Today I'm going to check into the InterContinental Grand Stanford. It's somewhere over there. Let's go and see this amazing room. Hello and welcome to the InterContinental Grand Stanford Hotel in Hong Kong. This is room 1845. Check it out. It's one of the biggest hotel suites I've ever had in my life. This was an upgrade from a standard room. Thank you to the InterContinental Hotel Group for the upgrade. Here's the living room. It's, oh my gosh, it's incredible. It feels even bigger because they've got mirrors on the ceiling. Hi. So, apologies for the mess. It's a bit dirty because we had a party last night. We came off the flight from Bangkok, and we had a few drinks in the plane, and then very kindly the manager gave us a bottle of wine on the house. So of course we had a look at that. Here is a nice welcome card with my name printed on it as well. Box of chocolates. Wow, very expensive, very nice, all complimentary. And here's the view. This is Hong Kong, of course, the most famous harbor in the world. This is Hong Kong, home to about 7 million people. Nice weather today, about 20 Celsius outside. So let's check it out. They have a kitchen as well, and it's so big I'm getting lost. So here's the kitchen area. They give you Fiji water, tons and tons of Fiji water, and check out this minibar. I've never seen a minibar this well stocked. I mean, seriously, they've even they've even put champagne, Red Bull, beer. Oh, I think I had one last night. Okay, that explains the hangover today. So they have the coffee, what do you call them, pellets, capsules. Nice, nice. So let's go and check out the living area in the back. So another room. Again, here's the bathroom. It's a bit of a mess because we obviously used it last night, but hey, wow, check it out. And it's stocked up with the Bulgari amenity kits. So if you're familiar with Emirates airline, you'll know that you get that gift bag in business and first class. Well, this shower and bathroom is stocked with the same amenities, except here's the shower gel, I think, and shampoo. So great shower. Well, one more thing about this toilet as well. This is heated. It's heated. You sit on it and it's warm. All right, into the bedroom. So this is probably one of the smallest rooms in the hotel. Sorry, in the this is probably one of the smaller bedrooms I've stayed in, but the bed was extremely comfortable. We got a side view of the harbor, but it doesn't matter because you know the main view in the living room is spectacular. And yeah, oh, so comfortable. Okay, now one thing I forgot to mention, this room is on the 18th floor, which is the top floor. And because you're in the suite, the presidential suite, you don't have to travel very far to get to the swimming pool. It's literally right in front of me. So let's go check it out. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good. Hi, guys. Good, thank you. Thank you. So here's the gym area. And here we are up top at the roof pool. Nice. So the weather today is about 20-21 Celsius. It's not bad. And over there you can kind of see, just if I put the camera up, then you can see a bit more of the harbor.
A towel?
Yeah, why not? Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the pool, it's a heated pool?
Yes, it's heated.
So it's not going to be too cold if I put my foot in?
Yes, you can feel.
Actually, that's not bad. Not bad at all. But I'm not brave enough to swim in this weather. It's too cold for me. It's too cold for me.
It's windy.
A little windy, yeah.
Yes.
Morning.
And so I just got one.
Right. Let's get that out.
So we are on the first floor of the hotel. The lobby is just down here. The breakfast area, which you saw earlier, is below. And this in here is the club lounge. You can kind of see it through the windows. Wow, it's so luxurious, so luxurious. So in the lounge, you get access to soft drinks, spirits, champagne, wine. Of course, there's canopies as well. But just check out that view. So let's go and check it out. Hi guys. Thank you. So here we are in the main area. They've got Moyer. Bye. Cheers. So, been a great stay in this hotel. You must come to the InterContinental Grand Stanford.